Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Harig Easy Surf. It's serial number 631EZ. Right now the machine's up and running, the hydraulics are on. We'll start the main spindle. Nice and quiet. We'll start the table reciprocation back and forth. Disconnect that hand wheel. You can speed up and slow down the table through the hydraulics, nice and quiet. So you can also move it manually by hand, nice and easy. You have electronic hand wheels on your Z and your Y. Then you can also jog or rapid through the push buttons here on the pendant. That's your Y axis. Again, nice and smooth. The machine's presently wired for 220 volts. You also have the flat screen upgrade there on the pendant to color. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.